The emblem is still intact, buried under the rust. There might be a way to salvage this. 17, 18, 19, all buried.
Yep, totally seized.
And that one's gone entirely. All right, time to clear this layer. Got to make some progress before dark. I think I can still get in there and get this thing started. Look at this rust. Okay, width is 38 feet, 6 inches.
Secure the chain here.
Got it.
Winch it tight.
Ready to pull.
Engage the winch. Keep it steady. Watch the cables.
It's moving slowly.
Mud's flying everywhere. Keep back.
All right, crew, back it up slowly. Watch the alignment. Now, stop, settling. Good job. The crusty Titan.
Severely oxidized.
But we can rebuild it. All right, let's get this beast clean. Copy that, Mira. Pressure looks good. All right, time to blast this rust off. Watch the mud fly. All right, wide nozzle, let's see what this behemoth's made of.
That should strip it clean.
Just the start, this rust is thick. Keep that pressure steady, Mira. All right, time to tackle the rest of this beast. All right, let's get this glass clean. Looks like it's been through a war. Just a bit of elbow grease. We'll need a new windshield, though. I've removed the mud. We're looking at heavily oxidized yellow, faded into dark brown. There's peeling paint on the roof. All right, time to break you free. Come on, just a little more. Got it. All right, hold it steady. Got it. 1, 2, 3, lift. Watch the weight on your side. Easy now, down, locked. All right, easy does it. Got a good flow starting now. Time for a fresh start on this mess. One wire at a time, Mira. All right, time to break these free. Good luck, those are heat seized. All right, time to replace this mess. Looks like it's seen better days, boss. All right, crew, lower it slowly. Careful with the chains. Perfect, just a little more. Watch the left side. Yeah. Got it. Okay, hold there, steady. Release the chains. Well done, team. All right, easy does it. Clear the firewall. All right, she's home. Okay, here we go. Coming down slow. Easy. Easy. Secure. Right, on to the next one. All right, time to secure this thing. Lock and loaded. All right, let's see what's under here. Oh man, that is not good. Look at that sludge. All right, time to see what we're dealing with.
There we go.
And off you go. This is worse than I thought. Worn-bearing journals. This isn't gonna be a quick fix, but we have a window of opportunity to make this right. Keep it steady, slowly.
Easy now, almost there.
Stop, lower it.
Just a little more.
Perfect, hold it.
Back it up now.
Right, let's take a closer look at this frame. All right, let's see what you can do with this.
Submerge.
Submerge, engage. Good, let the chemicals do their work. The temperature is holding steady. We're on schedule to clear the rust by dawn.
Yeah.
That Titan X24 will be pristine. time to tackle these crevices. Watch this stuff work. It's really turning black fast. Almost there. Keep scraping, Mira. It needs to be perfect. I know. Just need to clear this last section. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Precision, just like they promised. These are perfect.
It's gonna be a lot of work getting the Titan back in shape, Mira.
Nothing I can't handle. Let's get started. Perfect. This will do the job. All right, let's see what we're working with here. Finally, the new harness arrived. Perfect. All right, let's see how these feel. Good rebound. Perfect. Now for the measurements. Perfect. No damage on the fins. Now, let's get these over to the engine stand. All right. Seat it perfectly. Next piston. All right, perfect. Just got to get these bolts in. All right, water pump and alternator are on. Now just to tension this belt.
Go.
Just right, tight and secure. All right, sensors first. Solid click. Now the actuators. Perfect, looking good. All right, time to torque this harmonic balancer to spec. All right, time to keep you safe from the dust. All right, lowering the power. Steady as she goes, aligning with the mounts now. Good, perfect, set. All right, slowly now, just a little more.
Ready?
Perfect, right there, locked in.
Let's bring it over to the hub.
Watch the positioning there, steady.
Clear to lift, ready on the count.
All right, team, slowly, precisely. Up and to the left a few degrees.
Got it, watch the clearance.
Perfect, hold it there, let's secure the bolts. All right, these calipers are ready to mount. Lock it down with the thread locker. That's one. Secure. Done.
Axle 1 complete.
Moving to axle 2. Watch the torque settings. All right, lowering now. Clear. Watch the tires. All right, tie rod is in. Now for the drag link.
The torque spec is tight on that one.
Got it. All right, suspension bags in. Now for the lines. Checks out, solid. All right, fuel tank secure. Now for the primary and secondary filters. All right, time to test the lift. Smooth and steady. Checking those pins. Perfect. Time to tackle this roof. Let's get this filler mixed up. There, worked right into the rust holes. I think that's got it. Perfectly flat.
Still finding high spots here.
Needs more pressure.
Checking it now. Better.
Almost done with the first pass. Got to make sure every pinhole is filled. Almost there. Good work, Mira. Feather those edges perfectly. Just a few more passes.
The cab and hood are perfectly sealed now. Nothing but a smooth, yellow-tinted, high-build epoxy under these lights.
I've got to get every single particle off. It's looking spotless, Mira. Not yet. Almost. All right, this third coat is gonna be perfect. Perfect. Not a single swirl mark left. The hydrophobic properties are already repelling the water. This coating will keep the Titan X24 pristine. All right, first one's in. Time for the second.
Perfect.
Perfectly aligned.
Ready the bolts.
Secured tight. All right, time to install this monster. All right, dashboard in. Now for the gauges: oil, boost, and water temp. Perfect. The level is rising. Keep it steady. Looking good, all filled. All right, time to prime the system. Just a little further.
Tightening the rear hinge.
Torque looks good.
Retracting the forks now.
All right, come on, come on. Just a little more. Yes. All right, oil pressure is looking good. Just need to fine tune this idle. Perfect. Battery voltage and water temperature, green. Systems nominal. This Mercedes Titan X24 is flawless, ready to work. Transmission into first, air brake released. Let's see what she can do.
Engaging the drivetrain. Systems check complete.
Moving out.
Copy that, proceeding with exit.
Engaging hydraulics. Smooth as advertised. That's a good lift. The Titan is reborn.
It's perfect.
Let's roll.